Good morning, guys. It's Frosty8415. Going to give an update on my motorcycle. You all know that I had some issues with it. Getting it fixed. Well, the problem was when they originally put the intake and did all the work on the motorcycle. They put an intake, put a cam, put an exhaust. They did a lot of work on it. When that was originally done, they undoubtedly folded the intake over the gasket, and when they put the intake in, it didn't seal properly. Well, they tuned it. It always ran real rich, and I noticed that I always had the smell of gasoline. And I had taken it back several times to a dealership, and I'm not going to mention their name because you'll know why when I finish this video up. But they couldn't get it. They couldn't figure out what it was. I tried everything. You know, you've seen in previous videos what I've done. Well, I took it to the dealership in my local town here. They found the problem right off, fixed it. I ended up calling corporate Harley-Davidson because I felt like it should have been under the original warranty, because this was not the first time I'd taken it in under this. This is several times that I've taken it in for this problem. Well, they contacted the other dealership where I bought the bike and the original work was done, and told me that, well, Harley told me they would contact him. They contacted the dealership over here, so they back and forth. Well, as soon as they contacted the dealership where I bought the motorcycle, which I've never had an issue with these guys. They've always been good to me. They've always treated me well. Well, the owner called me and said he would reimburse me completely 100%. He said, whatever they charged you, we'll be happy to pay it. I'm sorry that this happened. We should have caught that. We should have figured it out. It's something that we should have taken care of. So they're stand up. They stood up and said, we'll reimburse you for whatever the cost is. So that's all I have to say about that, and is they are going to reimburse me the full cost of what this dealership over here could charge me. Who am I going to go to for service? Man, we'll see. We'll see. This is Frosty8415, and I'm out.